Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revolution. So today we're going to learn to make something healthy, which is good for a healthy weight loss. I'm going to make sweet potato salad, or you can also call sweet potato chaat. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. To start with, I've taken two medium-sized sweet potatoes and half of a beetroot, which I have steam cooked. We'll peel the skin and then chop them into small square-sized pieces. People generally tend to avoid sweet potatoes considering they are high in carbs, but you should remember they are rich in complex carbohydrates which are essential for your body. They promote fullness due to high fiber and water content, and they're also low in calories which help in weight loss. Once you finish chopping the veggies, keep them aside, heat a pan and add in around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They're a good option while making salads. Add the steam cooked and chopped sweet potato as well as beetroot. Both these vegetables are rich in vitamin C, iron and potassium, so all those who are taking multivitamin tablets or are vitamin deficient should incorporate these vegetables in your daily diet. Now stir fry these veggies on very high flame and then add in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder and a pinch of cumin powder. Now this is a kitchen as well as a health tip. You must always add a little bit of pepper along with turmeric because it helps in activating an active ingredient called curcumin in turmeric, which is essential for your body. Now lower the flame so that the spices don't burn and keep on stirring for about a minute so that the spices coat the vegetable pieces well, and then add in about 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, hence it is a good option for garnishing or for including in your salads. Finally, to this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. They are a good source of calcium. Again, a very good option to include in your salads. Now switch off the flame and gently toss this and keep this aside. Next, we'll assemble our salad. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more interesting and healthy recipes. Okay, so I've added the sauteed veggies into the salad bowl. Next to this, we'll be adding 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, half of a cucumber finely chopped, half of a tomato finely chopped, a small bunch of coriander leaves finely chopped, 1/4 cup pomegranate kernels, half of a medium-sized chili finely chopped. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chili depending upon your spice tolerance. Next to this, we'll be adding nuts of our choice. We'll add 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of roasted pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon of roasted sunflower seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts. And finally, to this we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Now gently toss the salad. To this salad you can add many more salad dressing ingredients like honey, lemon juice, chaat masala, cumin powder, pepper powder, or any ingredients that you like. Since I'd already added few spices in the beginning while sauteing the vegetables, hence I'm not adding any at this moment. Now for garnishing and presentation purpose, I'll be adding few sage and coriander leaves, which is completely optional. So our healthy sweet potato salad or sweet potato chaat is ready. You can enjoy this as a complete meal during your dinner time or even as a snacking option during the afternoon. It is a refreshing and colorful salad with lots of veggies, fruits and nuts, making it a complete meal. I hope you all liked the video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.